How to use Target same day delivery with uh, shipping. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Target same day delivery with Shipt. So what here you need to do is you just want to choose or use the Target app or the Shipt app. You have to go ahead and start adding eligible groceries, home goods, beauty products, and more to your cart. Then during checkout, you want to choose same day delivery. Then you have to select an available 1 hour delivery window. Then complete your order, a shopper will fulfill it. Then next, offer free delivery on orders over $35 within an annual or monthly subscription. You could pay per order, that is a dollar 9.99 free per delivery as well. And that's how you're going to use Target same day delivery with Shipt. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.